Welcome to Chykalophia Academy, How to WordPress, the only course created specifically for business owners who value their time and want to get things done. This course is all about getting your questions answered so you can effectively set up, use, run, and maintain a successful WordPress website. There are two main threads in Chykalophia Academy. There's the education thread and there's the implementation thread. Education is all about getting you as much knowledge as possible. And implementation is all about, well, implementing stuff and getting stuff done right now. With that in mind, Chykalophia Academy How to WordPress was created so you can get as much education, knowledge, and experience as you can and get some practical skills out by learning and doing and following along step by step. But if you have an idea and it's like, hey, wait a minute, education is great, but I really need to know how to do this one thing right now. Well, that's what the implementation part is for. There's really little education in the implementation part. It's all about the tactical, the step by step by step by step, That's what you do. That's how you get the result you're looking for, especially in the tactical stuff and the technical stuff of WordPress. How do you get those things done? That's what that's all about. How to WordPress is organized into sections, modules, and lessons. Sections are the high-level ideas such as basics, advanced, security, speed, those kinds of ideas. Modules are the deep down, ideas, the great things such as how to speed optimize your website. Lessons are the individual courses you can get through, take bit by bit. While there are the self-help videos, the video training, tutorials, supporting documents, articles, and all those great things, another big part of the course is the support side. So if you have questions, comments, you can't really figure something out or are stuck on something, jump in the support area. You can get a lot of great support from the community and from me specifically and other WordPress experts to help get your questions answered. This is not a general, this question applies to everybody type thing. If you have a specific question, ask it. That's what it's for. And if you're looking for even more help, there's a private ticket support area. So you can ask a specific question or get a specific answer resolved, actually, and we can help you do that, take you hand by hand and get you, to where you want to be to help you get that question answered, to get that issue solved. So those two big parts are available for you. Well, three, I guess. The videos, the articles, the self-help stuff, really, self-education, the community support area, and the private support area. All three of those are available to you in the course. So check out the Academy site where you can get all the great videos, the trainings, tutorials, and the community section, and the support. There's a lot of great things for you in there. You don't have to go through everything sequentially. You can definitely jump around, and I encourage you to get to the things that are really bugging and you can't figure out. If you don't know how to use WordPress, go to the basics section. If you have questions about security, about plugin setup, about what the best options are, ask. There are sections for all of that. This is all it's all about you. So it's all in there. Check it out. And before I forget, make sure to check out the bonuses section because I've loaded that with premium themes and templates legally for free for you. And that's really awesome. That's a bonus you get as a student. And if I can't get something for you for free for whatever reason, I'm really going to try hard to get you as many promotional deals, discounts, and hopefully maybe something like long free trials that I can for premium services inside of the, website business-osphere, if we want to call it that. So check it all out. If you have any questions, ask us. That's what we're here for. All right. Are you ready for your first lesson? Because I have some really great things in store for you, not just a whole explanation overview. So some really great things. So I have 9 great tips to get you started with WordPress. And a lot of these are some things people don't know and just can't get their head around, or it's really hidden. So these are some 9 tips, tricks, and hidden features of WordPress. The first is a little known feature called screen options. In the top right-hand corner of your screen, there's a little thing that says screen options. If you click on that, that brings up a whole bunch of options to help show you extra options on the screen, whether it's a page, post, or a settings page. For example, if you're writing a brand new post and need to write the short description or the excerpt, well, normally it's not shown. If you want to see it and actually write these things, and maybe if you're using WooCommerce, that's also a really good idea. You want to click on screen options and enable that feature that you want, like excerpts. And then you can close it back up. There's no need to save. It's automatic. And there you go. Cool little feature called screen options. So let's say you're in a writing mood and you can really pump out, let's say, 10 blog articles in one day. You probably don't want to publish all of those in one day. So what you can do is publish later. That's the second feature. You can set a future date in a post or a page, and it can publish it in the future automatically for you. So that if you write 10 posts in one day, you can space them out day by day by day and to post at specific days and times. So that's a really neat feature to help you schedule articles and posts. This is another little hidden thing. In the what you see is what you get editor, the little, you can type kind of like in Microsoft Word, type editor when you're editing a page or a post, that little thing. It has a little extra options. It's kind of hard to see. So if you click a little special button, I'm showing you right here. If you click that little button, it'll bring up another toolbar with a lot of more great options to change and modify your text with. So click on that and get some really great extra options. And as you might imagine, managing a WordPress website can get rather tedious, especially if there's a lot of updates every single day. Well, you can automate that. You can set WordPress to automatically update the core WordPress installation, themes, and plugins. It's not a perfect system, so even if you do enable it, it's a little bit wonky. Updating the core WordPress website actually works rather well. Themes and plugins, not so much. That's best done manually. But if you get a premium theme, those generally don't come with an auto updater built in. But if you get an elegant themes or something from Theme Forest, you can get an updater plugin specifically from them to help plug in those themes. Oh, and also from Woo Themes. You can help get a plugin from those three places to help plug in into the WordPress updater. So then all you have to do is go to the update screen, click update, and it'll update automatically. So that's really cool. Instead of having to go to that website, download it, upload it again, it can handle it for you. Just get those plugins. One of the biggest issues and questions I get time and time again on WordPress is, what do we do about security? That's a great question, and there's a lot that can be done. But for the average person, it can get, really crazy. It's like trying to fly an airplane for the average person. It's really crazy. So here's a really easy way to secure your site quickly and easily. Download a plugin called iThemes Security. It's a great plugin. It can run you through the basics of securing your website step by step by step. It's a really easy to use plugin, and it really is pretty darn good. It's not a bulletproof solution, but it will get you going really far in terms of securing your website, and it'll even help you point out the issues you currently have. All you have to do is run the plugin, activate it, and go through the steps, and then it'll show you everything, and just save and you're done. It's that easy. Another big question that I get about WordPress, and it really pertains to business and websites in general, is what do we do about SEO? Well, the real answer is good luck. A lot of us don't have hours and hours and hours to spend on this. So what we can do, though, to go on the hard truth that it is not so easy. And the real truth also is it's just about content and making your site look good to the search engines. To help do that, get a plugin called WordPress SEO by Yoast. There are a few add-ons for it, like for local businesses or for e-commerce, but the basic one is free, WordPress SEO by Yoast. That one's free. Get it, install it. It has a few basic instructions to follow. They're super simple, don't worry. Just add your title and it'll handle all the rest. And when you create a brand new post, just use its options, give it a specific title, a keyword, and you're good to go. Also, the other thing about SEO is there are three main things. Make your site look good, which WordPress SEO by Yoast will do. Write really good content, or make good content if it's video, audio, or something like that. And add citations. That's listings on directory websites such as Yelp. And if you're looking to buy a WordPress website or have somebody make it for you, don't be tricked into thinking, well, I need a blog because that's important, so, oh man, they're going to charge me extra. WordPress is a blogging platform. It's called the CMS, a content management system. It has blogging built in. You don't need to pay extra for such things. If you want it disabled, it's a click of a button. If you want it enabled, just add posts in a menu item. Really, you don't have to pay extra for that. So what is the difference between pages, posts, and blogs? Well, posts go on the blog. They're meant for timely updates, such as, hey, I have a brand new video. Hey, check out this cool thing. Hey, here's this really great thing I learned. Follow these instructions, here's some information. Brand new stuff that's constantly coming out. Well, that's what a blog is for. Updates, more or less. Pages don't belong in a blog. Pages are your more static type content. Your home page, your privacy policy, disclaimer, shop, which can be dynamic, but it's still a static page, and all those things. That's a page, stuff that barely ever changes. You're probably not going to be changing the about page every other day, and it's not new information that's too pertinent to most readers, because most readers are there for either a specific purpose or for the blog articles. So pages really kind of just sit there and do their own one thing. They don't really change. Posts do get updated all the time. That's the point. And that's the difference between pages and posts / a blog. In the latest version of WordPress people have finally disabled commenting by default on pages, because you don't want people commenting on your page. That's not what pages are for. Comments are for products and for posts. But anyway, they finally disabled it. But if you have a whole lot of pages already or posts and you really don't want comments floating around there, there's a really easy way to do it. You can manage everything in bulk, which actually is number 8 and number 9 on this list, because they both tie together. So disabling comments on posts, well, on one, it's super easy. On many, it's just as easy, actually. All you have to do is go to the pages or posts listing page, click on the options you want, or the pages, I guess I should say. Click on the left side, click on the ones you want, select bulk options, edit, and then disable comments. And the same applies for, well, changing other options in bulk, such as categories, tags, parents, and a few other fun features. You can change a whole bunch of ideas and stuff and settings in bulk. So that's number 8 and 9 on the list of some really great 9 top things you can do that are tips, tricks, and hidden ideas of WordPress. I really hope you enjoy this lesson and enjoy more of Chykalophia Academy, How to WordPress.